Hey guys, today I have got a Maytag Brovos XL washer. It's king size capacity, about the biggest they offer in this lineup. It also has a steam option if you wanted to use that for some intense cleaning and sanitizing. But right now I've got it set on a deep water wash cycle. Let's see, we got the soil level set at medium, max extract on the spin cycle. That way you can see it spinning at its fastest here at the end of this video. And you can see just about full submersion on those clothes there. It's just getting started agitating, and it'll end up kind of vortexing those clothes down against that agitation plate as they get started here. So we've got a little ways to go. Obviously, I'm not gonna make this video that long, but I always do a video as if you're standing here yourself checking it out. That way you get to see everything works great. When I'm all done with the washer, I'll move over and show you the dryer. But we'll go ahead and let this thing continue to get started. It just finished adding the water and all that and just moved into the wash cycle. All right guys, moving out of the wash cycle. You can hear it draining that water out nice and fast. Of course, it'll drain all the water out it can before it spins and fills back up with the clean rinse water. But that'll be the next step, fill back up, clean rinse water. Rinse and then drain out for the final spin, which is what we'll come back for next. Okay, and we've moved on to the final spin. You can see it spinning nice and fast, doing an excellent job. It's actually gonna go a little bit faster than that, but you can see that it is spinning nice and fast, smooth, sounds great. It's got the pump on, getting the last little bit of water out of those clothes. Right around the 5 to 4 minute mark, it'll speed up just a little bit more. We'll let it go ahead and finish up, and we'll move over to the dryer. Okay, and now I've got those clothes moved over to the Samsung electric dryer that we've got paired up here. Huge capacity on this dryer, about the biggest Samsung makes, I believe. I've got it set heavy duty, highest heat setting. You can also set this to more dry just to add more time, but it's a sensor cycle, so it's gonna do a really good job of knowing when it's done, when it's dry. It's gonna hit go. Of course, you can also do time dry, set your own time, set your own heat on all of these. You've got delicates, and then we also have a steam option for steam cycles, which is great for taking items that maybe are wrinkly, toss them in and hitting it on refresh, wrinkle away. Or, you know, if you're in the medical field and you have scrubs, something like that, and you really want to make sure that those get sanitized, that's an excellent option there. Tons of different options and features on there that you can see, but you can hear. Sounds great. Nice smooth operation. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots there, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. So it's about 79 degrees on the top of this dryer. If I point it on the floor here, you'll see temperature drops. So we'll go ahead and open this up and shoot that right inside the heating element tube. You see plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. That in turn is going to heat the inside of your dryer up anywhere from about 95 up to 195. Just depends on how high you've got the heat kicked on. Got a Lint Trap here that you make sure you clean out after every load. Nice bright light in there. So we'll go ahead and hit start, let it start back up. I'll go ahead and let that finish up and get this listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.